Hi folks, it's Keep here, and in today's video I'm just coming from finishing or pushing my new application, and that application is to bring the Launchpad back to macOS Tahoe. So you can see right here, this is the apps, and let me just show you. This is my macOS Tahoe. This is version beta. This is the beta version of 26.6, and I don't like this application at all. I don't like it. So I've just created an app that can bring the functionality of the Launchpad back to macOS Tahoe. Also, it supports the macOS 27, Golden Gate, and beyond. So let me just change this one first so that we can be on the same page. So let me just go with dark now. So this is the Tahoe dark wallpaper, and let me just pull up the application. And the application is right here on the GitHub. It's a free application and open source. You can find everything here, and the release version is version 1.0.3, which I released 2 hours ago, as you can see right here. So what you need to do is very simple. You just click on it. After that, you just download the DMG, and then I'm gonna just, so let me just close this one and then download again so that I can drag it to the desktop. So let me just drag it right there like so, and just minimize it. And the application itself is very simple application, and as you can see, let me just take you back to the page. But you need to note something, that the LaunchBack is currently on beta, so some small issue may arise, but in this latest version I think I've countered everything that the testers told me. So I just fixed a lot of things. So yes, and then let me just minimize this one. So let us install our LaunchBack app. So double click on it, and like so, just drag it to application, and it's done like that. So let me just eject this one and come here to, and then let me just search for LaunchBack. So I'll drag it right there, and then I'm going to remove this one on the dock. So this is our application right here. You can see it's called LaunchBack, and let's open it. So let's open it. I click on open, and there you go. You can see that's just open automatically, and just like the Launchpad. So this is all my apps, and I can search anything from here. So it's actually the same features like the previous Launchpad in macOS Sequoia and below. So yeah, but there is something I want to show you first before. So this app, you can see right now, if I click here, my background is okay, and it's, so let me just get you back right here. You can see when you open the app or install the app, it will need you to enable the screen recording. You need to turn on, so that, let me just show you that one, so that, and then I can explain it. So if you go to privacy and security, and then you need to go to screen recording, you can see right here I've enabled it. So let me just show you, let me just explain to you. I've already add this one here. You can see right here it says without permission you get some dull and background wallpaper, and with permission you can see it's give you the. So let me just show you this one. So let me just turn this one off, and then just quit and reopen. So just let me just minimize because I'm coming back there. You can see right here the background is, you can see some pixels right here. You can see there, you can see there. We need to, so you need to enable the, as I already told you right here, it does not record your screen at all, your other windows or anything you're working on. It captures the single static background layer, that's all. If your background is like this, it just capture it, and then so that if you open it you will not get the blurry the background. That, so that's the only thing that is why this tool asks you for permission of screen recording, that's all. And let me just go back and then turn it on and then reopen. So if I just open the app, it's a bit, but there we go. You can see it has just captured the background. And so let me just change the wallpaper again, and you can see, let me just go with Sequoia. So this Sequoia dark. So let's open our app again, and then let's change to Sequoia day, so that you can see, or light, so you can see you can see right now it has not captured the, it just captured the one for macOS Tahoe, and it has keep it from that. Okay, so but if you want it to capture the one for Tahoe, but that's a bug that I'm currently working on, so it's just a work in progress. You don't have to worry about anything. I'll just fix that issue, but the app is working fine and you don't have anything to worry about. So yeah, that's it for this video, guys. And but let me show you one thing. So let us try to just force quit the app for now, and let's open it again. You can see right now it has captured the current. It has captured the current. What? Sorry. You can see now it has captured the current wallpaper. So yeah. So that is for this very short video, guys, or it's very long. So if you need, you can just download it from here and then try. But I'll be pushing more fixes for like now. You can see that the app is a bit laggy when you open it. So yeah, I'll be pushing a lot of updates in this app, and then until you get the perfect application. So guys, that is for this video. Hope you like it. Share, subscribe to the channel, it helps a lot. You can see right here we are still going, but yes, just subscribe to the channel, share, and I'll see you in the next